Rapid fire answers coming your way. What's today's burning question? Let's find out.
Cleaning your Whirlpool refrigerator is a simple process that can keep your appliance running efficiently and your food safe. Start by unplugging the fridge or turning off the circuit breaker. Remove all food, shelves, and bins. Wash removable parts with warm, soapy water and dry them thoroughly. Wipe the interior with a mixture of 2 tablespoons of baking soda and 1 quart of warm water. Then, dry with a clean cloth. Clean the exterior with a damp cloth and mild detergent. Don't forget to clean the condenser coils, usually found at the back or bottom, with a coil brush.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.